So what's better, braking with or without the clutch? If you're going from 6th gear to 1st gear, slowing all the way down, is it better or faster or less harmful to the bike to pull on the clutch and shift all the gears down? Or can you just shift them all down without using the clutch at all? So for me, it really depends on what I'm doing. If I'm just casually riding and I don't really care about speed, then yeah, I'll just coast. I'll just pull in the clutch. If I'm in 5th, 6th gear, pull in the clutch and just come to a stop and shift all down one at a time. And I'll be in 1st gear, come to a stop, and yeah, it's safe and it's easy compared to if I want to stop faster or if I want to shift down and maybe stay in 2nd or 3rd gear. Then I'll brake and shift down and keep the clutch out, or just blip it when I'm shifting it down. But generally I don't use the clutch when slowing all the way down unless I know I'm coming to a stop. So for racing purposes, it's better to shift not using the clutch, or at least letting the clutch out when after you do the shift. So you're letting the engine do some of the braking. It just adds a little bit more braking power to you. The engine helps slow the bike down along with the brakes. You just got to make sure that you don't over rev the bike, so shift down too quickly. So let's say you're going 40 miles an hour, you don't want to go from 6th gear to 1st gear when you're only slowing down to 35 miles an hour, because that's going to be way too fast for 1st gear. So you just got to match the gear with the speed and RPM that you're going. So if you want to go more in depth, learn all the proper techniques for riding with confidence and control to be a safer, faster rider, head to motocrosshideout.com. I have a free guide that I want to give you, practical tips and techniques. Yeah, this is Kelly. Learn more, ride more.